Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an invoice on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the page and go to the marketing materials section, and here you can find the invoice option. Here select the template and click to the use this template button. If you want to add pictures to your project, click to the photos section at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search or upload pictures. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete and change this. In the font section, you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. If you want to add objects to your project, click to the object section, and here you can find different graphic elements. For example, click to the ice cream and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to add animations, videos or music, just click to the animation section. You can find animations. In the video section you can search or upload videos, and in the music section you can search music and just tap to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.